Kemani, and today we taking y'all to the beach. Okay, so today we're reading Catarina in the Beach Day. Check out my beach shirt, sunglasses, and a hat. Go Rams! Okay, there we go. Catarina in the Beach Day. Surfs Up by Erin Eater Kono. Okay. So, Katarina and Leo are going to the beach. Okay? See Katarina? Getting ready. We're getting everything we need. We got what we need for the beach. We got our beach towel. I forgot my beach towel. That's fine. It's okay. We need our beach ball. We need our shovel. We need our can. Our floaties. So, they would both love to see a whale. Whales are wonderful. But no one can plan to see a whale, not even Katarina. So they want to go to the beach and see a whale. Do you guys think they would see a whale at a beach? Katarina, she's ready. She got her book, her newspaper, glasses, and hat like me. We're ready to go on the beach and look for some whales. Whales, if you're lucky, may just happen to pass by while you're looking. Okay. Or not. And she got a nice umbrella to block out the sun. Some sunscreen probably. Hoping we see those whales. Katarina is sure that she and Leo will probably not see a whale. Sad face. But she would help Leo look for one anyway. Okay. Look at all this stuff that she has. For a beach day, she has a lot of stuff. We got our tote bag, we got our shovel, dig some sand castles, our little beach ball, volleyball. She got a surfboard, some probably like a lunch box or a fishing rod box, pail box. We got our beach ball. Katarina, she's ready. She's ready. Going on the beach. After she sets up camp and applies sunscreen. Can't forget the sunscreen. Then she has shells to collect and crafts to make. Whenever you go to the beach, always remember your sunscreen. Katarina's ready to go and collect shells. I love collecting shells. There will probably not be a whale to see, but if there is, Katarina will find it after she organizes lunch. Flies a kite. So here we go. She's getting ready. She has, she's organizing lunch. Gotta make sure we eat. We got the picnic basket. We got the umbrella. She got the shells. And she's flying a kite. And here's the kite all the way over here. Everyone's enjoying the beach. Laying in the sand. Having some fun. Builds a castle. Look at that little snow castle. So before we find the well, we're gonna build a castle. Okay. And look at the big wave. What do you think she's gonna do? She's gonna go surfing after she builds this castle? What if the whale's in the wave? You never know. And has a quick dip. So we're gonna go swimming first. Here she's floating in the water. Here's a little floaty, having a good time. Catarina is busy, but not too busy to help Leo look for a well. She's busy on the beach. So she has all these things decorated. She has the news pail, everything. She done went for a swim. She went for a swim. She built sandcastles. She flew a kite. And now it's time to search for this well. You think they'll see the well today? Let's keep reading and find out. Uh-oh. Leo? Leo! Oh no, Leo's lost. Here's Catarina. She's worried. You see some footprints. Leo! Catarina and Leo will both look for a well. Okay. Yay! She found him. She found Leo. Catarina is sure that they will probably not see one. So Leo, he's like, we're gonna see a well. We're gonna find that well. Catarina's like, okay, maybe, maybe not. Here's some fishes. Really looking for this well. Leo knows they will. Here's Leo. He's like, I know we're gonna see a well. Catarina's like, no, we're not. Now what's this? It's a whale. It's a whale. Look at the whale. Catarina has a message for us too. How to have the best beach day. Taste the salt, smell the sea, hear the waves, listen to Leo, feel the sand, see everything, and enjoy the wonder of it all. And here's Catarina. After all, they happen to see the whale. Isn't that amazing? And listen to Leo. So if you're going to go to the beach, listen to Leo. Maybe you'll find a whale. And so, Catarina knows that things don't need to be perfect in order to be great. And that was Catarina's beach day with her and Leo. Until next time, I'll see you at the beach.